Zinc fences are major eyesores. They impede effective policing and provides a haven for criminals to breed and hide. It is my view that all zinc fences should be torn down.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
In May of 2017, Senior Superintendent of Police in charge of the St. Catherine South Police Division, Robert Bennett, had theorized that the removal of zinc fences would aid police crime-fighting efforts in volatile communities, including Gregory Park, where there had been a flare-up of violence. 67-year-old Gwendolyn Brown, who resides in Rosetown, Kingston, was quoted in the print media as saying, "Moulda like them zinc fence have to take down in a Rosetown, cause it make the place look away to me. If we get concrete structure, I would have better live it." In May of 2013, then Minister with responsibility for housing, Dr. Maurice Guy, announced plans to remove zinc fences in inner city communities and replace them with steel-reinforced concrete block walls. In November of 2018, Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Karl Samuda, said the government will be accelerating its zinc fence removal program and regularization of more communities. He said he saw the effort as a crime-fighting one, as once you improve the environment in which people have to live, they adopt an entirely different approach, he said. Rusty zinc fences, board houses constructed in a haphazard manner, limited land space and little or no sanitary conveniences paint a bleak picture of the many informal settlements dotted across Jamaica. Many of these areas are replete with illegal activities, which influence the crime rate but also poses environmental threats. The removal of zinc fencing is an important aspect of what has to be done to ensure that the police can enter these communities and do what they have to do without the fear of persons hiding behind a zinc fence. The harsh reality is that when someone have up a big zinc fence thinking they are protecting themselves, they are actually making it more unsafe and instead help persons to hide from the police. Zinc fence poses a barrier to effective policing, and therefore their removal will improve visibility for both residents and security officials. These fences often rust and pose a safety hazard to residents who may injure themselves, especially small children. Though great strides have been made through the intervention of central and local government, along with other agencies, a lot more must be done. Yes, I know that this is not a cheap exercise, but what if corruption, mismanagement, and misappropriation of taxpayers' money is stopped? Would we not have more than enough money to remove these zinc fences while improving the aesthetics and security of these communities?
Teach them! Hey, yo, yellow! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.